of this session, what's the difference between fashion and trend? What's the difference between what comes to your mind?
Like, why is Apple so expensive? It just does the same things that a Samsung does. So,
American.
first of all, thank you for giving me this chance to speak with the mic. And I love to be here. It was an amazing party, and now we all will be going back to our homes and enjoying our
Few words
holidays.
about the ensuing vacation or forthcoming vacation. How do you plan to spend your time? So if you are asked to, the mic comes to you, and Arundhati, you have to speak a few words or few sentences impromptu. What will you say?
Hello?
Yeah. How's it now?
Yeah, now it's all right.
Wow. Great. Welcome back, Arundhati Roktima. Right? I'm telling that your name, pronouncing your name correctly.
Yeah.
Roktima. Arundhati Roktima. Right? Oh, nice background. Nice background. A lot of books, a lot of collections. You read all these books, Arundhati?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So what's the plan now? What are you doing now? I think it's holidays for you.
Yeah, so tomorrow I'll be getting my answer scripts back, the checked ones, and I'm really excited. So I don't really have any plan for now.
So how do you plan to spend your vacation? Like a Clapingo, of course, that's a good step you have taken. But what else? Are you in touch with your friends? Are they going for some road trips or picnics? Are you planning to join them? Not. That's
Really.
not your cup of tea.
Yeah, actually, our friends and I, we had a sort of get-together party after our exams got over. So that was it. And apart from that, we aren't doing anything.
So when is that party organized? When it
Oh,
is?
it is already done. It was on 4th of March.
Oh, what did you do on that party day? You have some fun. How long? What was the duration? How long it lasted?
It was from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We went to a restaurant and we booked a hall. We contributed 300 rupees, yeah, for
Each?
each person. Yeah.
So
And that's how we did it. We went to a restaurant, ate some chole bhatures, and that was it.
so was it value for money, value for time? You really enjoyed it, or was it a bummer? A party, when you say party is bummer, what do you mean?
It was a boring party.
Boring,
Bummer means boring.
but in your case, it must be very lively party. Must be
Yeah,
you guys dancing and chilling out.
no, not that much. We were just sitting at a place and we were just eating. That was it.
This is not a party. This is just like going to restaurant, eat, and come back. You should enjoy.
Yeah, it was like a get together.
Okay. Okay. So did you have to speak something? No, there'll be a toast or something, in party. Suppose you are asked to say, hey, Arundhati, say a few words about the ensuing vacation or forthcoming vacation. How do you plan to spend your time? So if you are asked to, the mic comes to you, and Arundhati, you have to speak a few words or few sentences impromptu. What will you say?
Okay.
So just imagine you are sipping some Coke or a drink or a juice, and all of a sudden, maybe there's a host or you are a host, and you got the mic and you are asked to say something, few words, and wishing everyone happy holidays. How will you do that? How will you do that?
Okay. So, first of all, thank you for giving me this chance to speak with the mic. And I love to be here. It was an amazing party. And now we all will be going back to our homes and enjoying our holidays till our school starts. So I hope everyone's holidays go on very well. And I'll really miss everyone till the school starts. I'll miss everyone, but I will be definitely engaging myself in a lot of extracurricular activities. And I hope you all will be doing the same. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.
Have fun, be safe, and enjoy. Come back to school in one piece. That's it. So, have you heard? We have a topic. Are you interested? Brand. This is the topic we are supposed to discuss today. So, before kick-starting our session, delving deep into our session, dime a dozen. Have you heard this idiom? Dime a dozen.
I have heard this.
What's that? I like your that giggle and I heard that. I heard that. Nice giggle. So diamondism. Give me a sentence.
Okay, so what should I say? What should I say? I can't really remember an example. I
Oranges,
know that it.
oranges, oranges. That's damn cheap. It's a diamond these days. Oranges, apple. Mm, mm. Yeah,
Yes.
this dress. Do you think this is very expensive? My goodness, this is so cheap. This is diamondism. No, you can. But I know this is very expensive dress you're wearing. But I'm just giving you an example. Okay, anything which is damn cheap, you can say is dime. It doesn't dime means a penny. It's a penny, so it can buy something. The others will feel that this is very expensive. You can say no, not at all. This is diamondism. Oh, you
Yeah.
bought some good apples? It's a diamondism. Cost an arm and a leg.
It means something that is very expensive.
So the opposite of diamondism.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, give me a sentence.
The concert tickets cost me an arm and a leg.
Wow, this is awesome sentence. That concert tickets cost me an arm and a leg, an arm and a leg, arm and a leg. You are not cutting your leg and arm, but it means that I went for that concert. I had to pay, like I had to pay through my nose. I had to pay through. Have you heard that? I had to pay through my nose. Means it costed an arm and a leg. It was very expensive, extortionate charges. Wow, very expensive. So, in other words, if it is opposite of expensive, what is the opposite of expensive?
Cheap, I guess.
Cheap, inexpensive. You just add,
Yeah.
yeah, appropriate, inappropriate, capable, incapable. So it's very easy. If you add in front of a word, that becomes exactly the opposite of that. Arundhati, are you very brand conscious? You buy branded items, or you go for some casual street vendor, or you go to all Biba, Western, or brands?
Okay, so apart from food items, I'm not really brand conscious. But when I'm going for like food items, I need to buy it from good brands. Like let's say that I'm buying some sort of rice, then I have to buy it from a particular brand. But if I'm just buying a particular clothing piece or anything, I can just buy anything that just looks good and is of good quality. That's it.
Yeah, you don't go for you don't flaunt branded items after going to school or a party, nice biba, lehenga. You wear some lehengas for a party and show off. Flaunt means show off. Do you like showing
Yeah.
off? You don't believe in that. Do you believe that?
No.
Not at all. Not at all. And you don't buy any. If you want to buy shoes, chappals, sandals, mobile. Which is your mobile phone? Is it a branded one, Apple or Samsung or branded?
I like Samsung more. I don't really understand how Apple and Samsung like why is Apple so expensive? It just does the same things that a Samsung does.
American. It is American. Apple is American, and that's a brand con. That's why we people believe, they flaunt. When you speak on an Apple phone, the backside you can see the Apple logo. Apple logo means you will, oh, this man is rich. This man is very rich, maybe big guy, big shot. But if you go with a Samsung, okay, not that too much, but Samsung is a good phone. It works on Android. It's very easy, very cool, very pocket friendly. What is pocket friendly? What do you mean by pocket friendly? Easy on your pocket. So what do you mean by that?
I think it means that it is the cost is you can buy that particular
Yeah, it's affordable. It's affordable. It's a
Yeah,
pocket affordable. It's pocket friendly. So yeah, like for example, one brand daily you use that brand, only that brand. For example, Colgate. You have any such brand, you use only that. If you like, Colgate is one. And any other brands, I don't. Nothing comes to my mind. Is there any other brand? Like if you drink tea, or your dad drinking tea, only Taj Mahal tea, or Three Roses tea, or Lipton tea, Tata tea. So is
There
there
are
any?
There are
Yeah.
a few. Okay, so first, it's mainly Domino's. Domino's
Do
pizza.
Pizza means what comes to your mind is Domino's. No
Yeah.
Pizza Hut, no Pizza Hut corner, only Domino's.
Yep,
So
and also Tata Gold Tea. My parents love Tata Gold Tea, but I just don't understand what is the difference between the different types of tea brands. I can't really find any difference.
maybe they are used to that. They are
Yeah, I think
accustomed to
so.
that. So once
Hmm.
you are used to one particular brand, that's called as brand loyalty.
Hmm.
Brand loyalty. If you use Colgate, I've seen people using Colgate for the last 50 years. No, we
Oh,
have umpteen number of brands, especially toothpaste, in the market, but they stick to that brand. That is called as brand loyalty.
yeah.
Yeah, Lipton tea, I drink only Lipton tea. I'm loyal to that brand, no other brand. Okay. I eat always Domino's pizza, and that's my brand loyalty. So, what
Yeah.
is a brand? What is a brand, Arundhati? What do you mean by brand?
A brand is the company that has its own trademark or something like that. It's mainly a company that makes its own products and
Their
sells it.
product, and that is there's some characteristics are so
Yeah.
different that is distinguished from other normal products. That keeps it apart from all other products. Like for example, you want to buy a shoe. What
Hmm.
comes to your mind? What are the brands? Shoe brands. What
But,
brands you know? Bata,
but
Bata, Bata is a very good Indian brand. Okay, then what are the other brands comes to your mind?
Iron
Nike,
Man.
Nike,
Oh yeah,
Nike.
Nike.
Virat Kohli is the brand ambassador. Who is brand ambassador? Who is a
Um,
brand ambassador?
the person who is like the face of the
The-
brand, the person who,
yeah, you're
yeah.
smart. You're smart. The brand ambassador is the person who is endorsing that product, who
Hmm.
is endorsing, who is vouching for that product. Then you will fall flat. My goodness, who is your favorite sportsman
I don't really like sports that
or
much.
any celebrity you like? Any celebrities?
I can't think of anyone. We Deepika
No,
Padukone.
Deepika. Oh, so if Deepika is endorsing some product, will you buy that? Will you buy that?
Nah, it depends. If the product is good, if the quality is good, I'll go for it. But if it's just a product that I don't really find worth it,
Mm-hmm.
then I'm not going to buy it just because of Deepika.
Ah, that's a good thing. No, you won't blindly just, believe Deepika or Virat Kohli or Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin says, hey, Arundhati, boost is the secret of my energy. Wow. Tomorrow you go to mall or shopping mall and buy 10 bottles of boost and daily you're drinking and you don't get any energy. You see, okay. Similarly, you have to perform something in the sports. You are an athlete, and you buy a Nike shoe, feeling that okay, Virat Kohli is asking me to buy that. He's endorsing that product. Maybe you can't even finish that run. So, do you think that this brand endorsing is kind of cheating? They cheat the public.
Yeah,
They cheat.
because if you're just using a celebrity's face to make people buy the product, then it's not really a good way, a true way. It's kind of cheating. I think so.
So if you feel that that person has cheated me, Deepika Padukone has cheated me, or Virat Kohli has cheated me, Sachin has cheated me, can you file a case against them? Can you drag them to court?
I don't know.
Can't. We can't. We can't. Because there are a lot of terms and conditions. If you buy
Yeah.
something, you cannot say that I just bought it because of Deepika Padukone. I'm a die-hard fan of Deepika and I believed her blindly. My goodness, I thought that would be a good product. And there are some fair and lovely. Wow, a lot of girls were cheated. They thought I will be fair, I will be smart, I will be a beauty queen, I will be Miss India, I'll be Miss World. They started using Fair and Lovely. Then ultimately, the government banned that brand. There is
Yeah,
no
it
more
became
Fair and Lovely.
bold and lovely, right?
Now it is changed. They changed the name. They changed the
Yeah.
name.
Mhm.
So, how about your dad? Is he very fashion? Are you? Forget about dad. Are you very fashion conscious?
I don't really know. Because I
When
don't.
you're going for a party, you wear matching dresses, contrast with your earrings, your necklace, your watches, Apple Watch, or smartwatch.
Hmm.
Are you very fashion conscious?
I don't think so. I just feel like if I look good in a particular outfit, then I'm going to wear it. I don't really care if it matches with anything. And moreover, if I have to match it with my earrings, I can't because I just got this infection sort of thing in my ears because
Uh-huh.
I kept on wearing my earrings for too long. So now
Uh-huh.
the hole and the piercing is just gone. And for watches, I just have this bronze watch, the only watch that works because I have broken all the other watches that I had.
In a fit of anger, or you just broke it?
No, I think it was because clumsiness. I just
Clumsy. It was
let
clumsy.
it
Nice,
go.
nice word. Nice word. I like that word. Clumsy. Last question of this session. What's the difference between fashion and trend? What's the
Hmm.
difference between what comes to your mind? Don't be a right answer, or there's different perspective. There's no right answer, there's no wrong answer, only different perspective. In your opinion, what is trend? What is fashion? What is style?
Okay. So fashion is like something that is evergreen, that works all the time, and trend is a particular thing that is there for just a small period of time. And
Transient. It is transient. It comes today. Sometimes palazzo is a trend now. Scissor, what you call? Small, some pants, the latest pants, what you call? Scissor pants or what something? Some
I
pants
don't
very
know.
tight. Leggings, that's a
Yeah,
trend. It came. The trend will come and go, come and
mm,
go. Sometimes fashion, style, that remains. That
yeah.
remains. So who is the most stylish girl in your school?
Stylish. Okay, so there is this friend of mine.
Mhm.
She's really good at styling herself. She matches her earrings and her dress and her shoes all the time. And she
Uh-huh.
came to that party that was on 4th of March. She was
Uh-huh.
looking absolutely stunning.
Stunning. Aha, gorgeous.
Yeah. Hmm.
Wow, that's good. If the one girl is looking so gorgeous, stunning, what are the other synonyms you will you use? What other words will you use? If you're
Beautiful, pretty,
beautiful, pretty, stunning,
yeah, gorgeous,
gorgeous, drop
amazing.
dead, drop dead gorgeous, ravishing beauty, ravishing, mm.
Yeah,
And amazing,
yeah.
picturesque,
Mm,
picturesque. If sending some good photos, you can say, "Oh wow, picturesque," or frameable photo.
yeah.
So that's it. So we have one more minute as usual. I don't have any. It was a pleasure talking to you. It was a wonderful session, Roktima, Arundhati Roktima. So
Mm.
hope. So is there any other sessions in the pipeline? Are you joining any other sessions with me in the coming up
Maybe,
session?
maybe in the future, maybe.
Maybe, maybe. Anyway, whenever we meet, we will have fun. You talk so well. I don't have any feedback. Talk to your friends and engage